Hey there, eco warriors. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the best ways to travel sustainably and make a positive impact on our planet. Ready to hit the road without leaving a trail of plastic behind? Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to plastic-free travel. In today's video, I'm sharing the ultimate guide to plastic-free travel. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting out, these tips will help you reduce your plastic footprint. Trust me, it's easier than you think. With a little planning and the right gear, you can make a big difference. First up, packing smart is key. It all starts with what you bring along. Say goodbye to those pesky single-use toiletries. They're not only wasteful, but also take up unnecessary space. Grab a set of reusable travel bottles and fill them with your favorite shampoo, conditioner, and lotions. This way, you're not only reducing waste, but also ensuring you have your preferred products on hand. Not only are you reducing waste, but you're also saving space in your bag. Win-win. Plus, it's a great way to stay organized. Next, let's talk about hydration. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially when you're on the go. Investing in a good quality reusable water bottle is a game changer. It's durable, eco-friendly, and can save you money in the long run. Look for one with a built-in filter so you can refill from almost any water source. This is especially handy when traveling to places where clean water might not be readily available. No more buying plastic bottles on the go. You'll be amazed at how much plastic waste you can avoid just by carrying your own bottle. Snacking on the move? Ditch the plastic-wrapped snacks and go for bulk options instead. Many stores offer bulk bins where you can fill up on your favorite snacks. Bring along a few reusable snack bags or containers. They're perfect for storing nuts, dried fruits, or any other munchies you love. Fill them up with nuts, dried fruits, or whatever munchies you love. It's healthier and greener. Plus, you'll have a variety of snacks to keep you energized throughout your travels. Eating out can be a bit tricky, but here's a tip. Carry a reusable cutlery set. It's a simple way to avoid using disposable plastic utensils. It's small, lightweight, and beats using plastic forks and knives every time. You can find sets that include a fork, knife, spoon, and even chopsticks. And don't forget a reusable straw. Whether it's metal, bamboo, or silicone, having your own straw means you won't need to use plastic ones. When it comes to shopping, always have a tote bag handy. They're perfect for carrying groceries, souvenirs, or any other items you pick up along the way. You never know when you might need it. Plus, many places now charge for plastic bags, so having your own can save you money. Reusable bags are not only sturdier, but also more stylish than those flimsy plastic ones. They come in a variety of designs, so you can choose one that suits your style. Accommodation is another area where you can make a big difference. Many hotels and hostels are now focusing on sustainability. Look for eco-friendly hotels or hostels that prioritize sustainability. They often have practices in place to reduce waste and conserve resources. Or consider staying in an Airbnb that promotes green practices. Many hosts are committed to sustainability and offer eco-friendly amenities. And here's a little bonus tip: use apps like Too Good To Go or Olio to find local food that would otherwise go to waste. It's a great way to enjoy local cuisine while supporting efforts to reduce food waste. It's a great way to enjoy local cuisine without contributing to food waste. Plus, you'll often find delicious meals at a fraction of the cost. Finally, spread the word. Share your plastic-free travel tips with friends and family. The more people join in, the bigger impact we can make. The more people join in, the bigger impact we can make. Traveling sustainably is a collective effort, and every little bit helps. So, there you have it. Ditch the plastic and travel green with these easy tips. You'll feel good knowing you're doing your part to protect the planet. Ditch the plastic and travel green with these easy tips. Remember, every small step counts. Each action you take contributes to a healthier planet. Remember, every small step counts. Let's make our planet a little cleaner, one trip at a time. Your efforts, no matter how small, make a difference. Let's make our planet a little cleaner, one trip at a time. Thanks for watching. Your commitment to sustainable travel is inspiring. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more eco-friendly tips. Stay tuned for more ways to make your travels greener. Safe travels and stay green. Until next time, keep exploring and protecting our beautiful world.